Oh, that's ready? Here. Okay. You can do the puzzle? Here, Mommy's got, she's just watching you do the puzzle. You can do the puzzle, okay? Come here, Tanny. Yeah. Oh, we're just looking. Can you do the puzzle? Do the puzzle and then we'll dance. You're silly. Oh, and there's Minnie Girl too. Hey, Minnie Girl. Well, yeah, everybody's here. Good job, Kaylee. I like how you're working on the puzzle. No, Tanner. Let go. Tanner.
That was my sister checking on Mr. Romanski.
I know.
She said that she told Lisa about Jim, and Lisa said, "What the H is that? I've never heard of that." And now.
Oh, really? Oh, are you okay? Did you get your finger stepped on? Tanner, say sorry, Kaylee. Sorry. Oh, I like how you guys are doing the puzzle together. Good job. Oh, we need one more piece. Where are the mice? There. Oh, everybody dance. Yeah, good job. Stand up, Tanner. She said, Tanner, stand up. Up, Tanner. Tanner, can you stand up? Come here, buddy. Stand up and dance. Everybody dance. Yay. Good job. Good job. Oh, the baby's going to dance too? Oh, good dancing, baby. Yeah, good dancing, you guys. Yeah.
Mr. Cheesy smile.
Yeah, good dancing. Oh, there's Kaylee's cheesy smile too. Do your dances. Can you do your dance, Kaylee?